Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. I'm going to share to you now some of the topic. So particularly in the management accounting. So let's talk about cash flow statement. When we say cash flow statement, these are the sources, these are the money that are flowing in the company. So here's the illustration. Cash flow statement consists of three main components with operating activities, investing, and financing. So the operating activities cash flow related to the core business operation. So that means in the production and operation. Investing is when the surplus money, the money that we're going to generate. Okay. So financing activities cash flow related to financing and business such as borrowing and paying bills. Example, we have this Apple, net income, depreciation, changes in working capital, negative. The net cash flow operating activities. Investing activities, proceeds from sales, we have net cash flow used in investing activities. We have financing activities. We have repayment of debt, proceeds, net cash flow activities. We have net cash in cash equivalents. So these steps are to produce that cash flow, identify operating activities. These are cash flow related to the core business. Then identify investing activities. These cash flow related to investments in assets. Identify financing activities. Calculate net change cash. So these are the procedures from the accounting standards to IFRS. So that's for this segment. So we'll continue on the next segment. Thank you for having me.